mentioned in my video earlier that I was going to put a focus on Northwest Ohio because this area can see some freezing rain with this system, not only on elevated surfaces, but also on the road surface as well, because road surface temperatures are going to be cold enough throughout much of the duration of the event. So on the sensors that are in the Bowling Green area, road surface temperatures are currently below freezing and they won't rise back above freezing until later tomorrow morning. Now, much of this precipitation is going to be in the form of liquid, which is why we have a freezing rain weather event for the Bowling Green area. Now, the max impact at this point is going to be around 5:10 in the morning. With max rain intensity about 0.18 inches per hour. And if I click on one of these locations, we'll click on Newton at State Route 64 here. You can see what I'm talking about regarding the ice that's expected to accumulate on the road. So moving over to the precipitation tab, much of this, like I said earlier, is going to fall in the form of rain. With that warm air overrunning the cold air at the surface. But because those surface temperatures are very cold, this location is down to 31.3 right now on the road surface. That rain is going to freeze on contact and create a mess on the roadways. So as of the latest on WX Horizon, precipitation is set to begin at around 9:30, so in a few hours here. And then road conditions really start to become treacherous heading later into the evening hours and into the overnight hours, as those surface temperatures are expected to remain at freezing or even slightly below freezing through much of the event until they warm above freezing later tomorrow morning.